It's like a Biore clear pore strip.
Put it on your nose. Yank it on.
Yow!
Oh, it's like a forest.
Who got you the body fantasies?
Auntie D. Just trying to show you that an hour ago.
Who called? Auntie D and
No, Freddie and Linda. Oh, I got to call Auntie Beth.
Auntie?
D.
We
She
were-
like that purple shirt, Joe?
She was awesome. I looked over and my eyes went, whoa!
What about that other one? Do you think that's going to fit? That one is smaller than the rest.
Where's Eric? Finding handy dandy notebook.
Jill, do you think this one's going to fit?
Yeah, I think so, because I think the arms are a little long.
Look up your poop.
$25.
No, not yet. I was starting to. I was
How much?
trying to.
Eric
$25.
never
From?
opened this one from Grandma. Eric, you got one more present left, baby.
It says it right there in writing, Joe.
Uh-oh, this is not
Right
a good
up.
thing.
What?
This has writing all over it.
So what?
Handwriting.
So what? It's got the original staple things on it. There's no way somebody could have taken that off. That plastic hooker-upper?
Yeah, but how do you explain that?
I don't know. Michelle won it in the factory. Who cares? No.
Eric, you got another present over here. Look.
I just
What's this
want
for?
some.
Linda.
For her.
Yeah, right there. I'm gonna shop.
Wow, where'd you get that, pal?
I'll be opening presents all day today.
No, those are for you. Who'd you get them from,
Where's that
though?
from?
They came in a bag.
Check
Did
that
they
bag.
come in a bag?
What bag?
Oh, it's from Grandma.
Wow, Eric.
Oh, look, Grandma sent you that. Oh, that is cute.
Auntie Kim. Kim got $20.
Oh, yeah.
I got a new.
What's that?
I'm gonna use
Is
it.
it a cool one?
Right at bottom.
Is that cool?
No, only one of them works for the handy dandy
Yeah.
notebook. This one. This one goes to this. Don't use it on there because
Hey, whose trumpet's broken, by the way? The Bach or the other one? Somebody says the button's missing?
Yeah, that was
Is it really missing, or is it loose, or?
It's missing.
It's gone.
So the top pot, when you push down, how can you play it?
Janelle took one off the box and put it on the
It's no big deal, Dad. It's just a
It's
button.
just a
You guys
button.
have no idea how insignificant it is.
Okay, good. We don't have to fix it then.
Yeah, it hurts your finger after
Well,
a
I know.
while.
Well, we asked the guy. They said they had to bring one.
$15.
this music place has every, it's really
Unbelievable, Janelle. It's like you haven't
and
done
it's
it.
real close.
I told you.
Which one?
It's like a small
Mars
Mars.
is better.
Well, Mars is 40 minutes from here, and you gotta go down next to the mall.
Mars is small.
Do you have any more toys to open? Do you have any more presents?
No,
I think maybe, I don't know, if you do or you don't.
I don't.
Okay, you probably
It was
don't.
for Eric,
That's
Mom?
Daddy's from Grandma.
No.
Okay, you wanna stop playing with some of your
Who
toys?
is swag?
Sealed with a kiss.
Oh.
You opened them.
I put them all underneath the, underneath here. Underneath all the stuff under here.
I didn't open them.
Yeah, well, yeah, you can open up the packages now if you want
Wow,
to start
honey.
playing with some stuff.
What packages? Is this
You-
for mine?
No, I don't think so.
But where is all mine? Because
Underneath the table, like, you can play with one of your games if you want.
Auntie and
Yeah.
Bob. Yeah, I want to play with all my games. I want to play with all
Which one do you want to play
Jill,
with?
Eric,
I want to play my golf game. I
Now,
want to play my golf
You wanna
game.
play your
stood
golf
behind my
game?
case.
Okay, hold on.
Where is it?
Where's it? Well, he wants to play this golf game. Can you bring that down?
where'd that come from?
Um,
It's Kid for Kim.
Yeah, Kim from Kim. Good thing he
You don't
knows
have
because
to
I
jump
forgot.
over
I
it.
forgot.
Kim and Scott?
Yep.
Kim and
It's
Richie.
red.
No, not Kim and Rich.
Hell, I don't know, honey.
Can I work it?
Stan.
What's that on?
Look
I
what
don't
it
know.
says. It says,
Some of the stuff wasn't even French.
smack it.
What?
That's what for you guys.
It says smack grandpa's ball.
Why don't you know who that's
I don't
from?
know.
Why don't
This
you
is-
know who it's from?
Because
Because I wasn't in the room.
I just opened up stuff and knew who it was from one second and put it down and forgot who it was from the next second.
Shall open
No,
this.
give it to your father.
Open it. Shall open this.
Christmas another way. I don't even know
Open it.
that. Okay, I'm opening it.
It says roll the ball and smack it in the hole down
Smack it
the
in the
grill
hole.
here. And got bullseye it and
Bullseye
smack
it.
in the hole. That's cute. That's what it says. Gotta smack it, Dad.
You gotta smack it.
Yep.
First I gotta open it.
Must be from Scott and Ken.
I think you're right.
No, it's the Patriots outfit was.
I think you're wrong.
I think you got two things
I think I can't believe you don't know.
I'm really sick.
Where's the paper it was wrapped in?
What? Let's go in the hallway and open this.
Where's the paper it was
Dad,
wrapped in?
Mom, nobody's gonna remember what paper it was wrapped in.
That's what the video's for. Yeah, this hallway right here.
Eric, you got a couple cards on the Christmas tree.
Hey.
Yeah, I bet you really care about cards, huh?
Yeah. Just sit it up. Right there, we can sit it up.
We good.
Here's the top.
Alright, look at it go! Woo! Get out, check it out! Check it out, man! Woo! Oh, he stopped it! Let me get this car. I'm gonna try this one. Oh, it tipped upside down. Here it comes. Whoa! Crowd jumped right over him! Here we go! Whoa! Here it comes! Woo! Oh, he dashed it out! Oh! Woo! That's awesome! Oh, he smashed it! Oh, thanks. How can we turn it off? There you go. Uh-oh. Hold on. Stop. Let it build up some speed. There it goes. Just build it up. Hold on. There it goes. Here it goes. Ready? Oh, watch out. Here it goes. Oh, it crashed in there. You get it. Take it out. No, take it out. Take it out. Put this one over there. Right there. Yep. Push it. There you go. Oh, okay. Now let's try. Push. Woo! Hold on. Oh, you try. Try that one. Hey, stop. Stop him over here. Push it with your finger. Push it hard. Oh, almost. Yeah. You want, try from right here, son. Come here. Come over Daddy's side. Try over from over here. Alright? Hold on. Let me let this side. Oh! Okay, you try. Push him. You gotta push him hard on that. Here, look. Put your hand like this, ready? Now put your hand on top like this. Ready? Push him. Yeah, there you go. Oh, you almost did it. Try it again. Yeah. Put your hand on the top like that and shoot him. This one goes better, I think. Good, try it. Yeah! You did it! You did it! Woo! Let's try two of them. You ready? Oh! You fell off the track. Ready? Woo! Here goes another one. Oh, I smashed it out! Attaboy. Oh, smash! You gonna try some up there? Like this? Oh, it doesn't work. Oh, shut up. Here you go, Jay's gonna try this one, okay? You ready? Move that one up the track. Here it comes. Woo! Woo-hoo-hoo! Woo! Nope. Attaboy. Woo! Way cool. Oh! Way cool. Oh, we smashed it up again. That's an awesome toy, huh? Woo! That's great. Look at them go. Woo! It fit you in the finger, huh? Wow. Check it out. There we go. There we go. Nice.
Move that one. Wait, give me. I'll put it on the track. Gotta put it on there. Don't put it there. Don't put it there.
Okay.
Don't put your arm in the way.
Whoa.
Stop, Eric. Listen, Eric. Huh?
Cool beans. Whoa, what was that? Hi, Charlie Brown. Hi, Charlie Brown. He's gonna get on some stilts. He's gonna be tall, tall, tall up in the sky.
What? What?
Nothing.
It's gonna bounce up in the sky.
Yeah.
What are they doing?
It's turning him into a bird. Stay.
Somewhere else today.
The picture. We'll take a picture.
Check it out, Eric. Whoa, cool. Hey, Janelle, come with me, huh? Huh? Shh. Look at this. This is unbelievable.
What, Dad?
This is a new kind of Florida bird. I bet you he doesn't walk in grass like this too often, though. I mean, it's always paved or something, no doubt.
Birds can walk in the grass.
This bird
Birds
can.
can fly and flap their wings.
This bird can.
Like this.
There's people.
Don't bite one.
What the heck?
Birds can flap their wings like this. Right there, they
Okay.
can't jump.
Eric, Janelle, I want you to watch him watch for the fire ants.
Watch for what?
Watch for the fire ants. God, I hope I don't run out of juice, which I think I'm gonna.
What's he gonna do? No, he's gonna turn into a bird.
It's gonna turn into a bird.
Yep. Right, Dad?
He already is a bird. He's riding the bird. He's on the bird, he's riding it.
Uh-oh, you said it's gonna play with the sky.
Yeah?
That's what you said.
This is too cool. I know he's got thorns in it. See, the kids know? Oh, they see him over there. That sounded like your mother. I
It's
know.
not like mom, but it's not.
Did they see him, the kids? They must have seen him, yeah. There they go.
They got it for the kids.
Well, I don't know.
Alright, let's walk through the inside.
It's too cool. Way cool.
Where's he from?
I don't know. Sound like Paris, France or something. That is so cool. Damn dog. Look at Charlie Brown.
Actually, this, Eleanor, this was born about the time you got married. Charlie, what is it?
Wow, is that Tim's brother or what? Man. I thought that was Tim all dressed up already. Oh, okay, Beth. He got dressed right here. Oh, we seen him. That's so cool.
Yeah, thank you enough for coming. You must come and have some wine or something.
With her.
I'm Beth.
What the hell's that? Dog back in the cage, you know. Where's Jilly? Go get Jilly.
You know it's a male bird.
Look at it, Joe. It's like he's riding the bird, Joe. Look, he's got the reins and.
He's got the feathers on the top of the head.
It's mother and father's 50th. Look at the dog. Eric, no. No. Looking for something to eat. January 2nd. January 2nd, 1999. Oh, they didn't go all the way around. That's my foot, because I'm in shorts. Right now Eric's pissed because he's got to go around those goddamn freaking cars that are on the sidewalk down there. Get up, buddy. Atta boy. January 2nd. He learned how to ride his bike really fast. It's only like really the second day he's had it outside. Come on, guys, I'm gonna run out of juice here. Here he comes. Janelle's cheating? Watch where you're going.
Hi, big boy. Go.
Get over here, Spirit. Over here.
Show, show.
Come on, Spirit.
The Easter Bunny came, huh?
Ha!
Ha ha! What do you got?
I got this.
What's that?